All right, this video is going to be of two websites that show the concept of beats really, really well. I've got this one started out. I have wave 1 and wave 2, and they are in phase, and they have the same frequency. So because they're in phase, these two are at a crest at the same time, I'm going to build a really big crest. And here I have two troughs at the same time, I get a really big trough. So this is constructive interference. And since they're have the same frequency, they're going to stay in phase. And if I hit play here, you're going to see that the amplitude always stays high over here. All right. Now, I'm going to change the frequency of the second wave. And at first, I'm going to make it way different than the first wave. So like this. All right. So you'll see right here, now this frequency of the second wave is higher than the frequency of the first wave. Right here, they're in phase. So I build a big wave. Right, they're both at crest, so it would be loud right here. And then over here, I have a crest and a trough meeting, so they're going to cancel each other out, and I get a little wave. So it would be quiet here, then loud here, quiet here, and loud here. All right. Now, if I bring them closer together, but still not with the exact same frequency, I might get something like this. All right. Here they're in phase. Okay, right here, so I get a loud sound. Here, they're out of phase, so they cancel each other out. It's destructive interference, and I get a quiet sound. So I still get the pattern of loud and quiet sounds. They're just farther apart here, so this would be lower frequency. So this other site, you can actually hear it. Okay, so I'm going to change this right now. I'm going to make this one 1. So I have two different frequencies, a frequency of 500 and a frequency of 501. They're one apart. I just subtract them, and I always make it positive. And so the beat frequency is going to be 1 beat per second. So it's going to sound something like this, 1 time per second. So if I hit play, you can hear that. So when they were one apart, I get 1 beat per second. Now, if I make it 505, now they're 5 apart, so I should get 5 in a second. It's going to sound something like this. So I hit play, and we hear 5 beats per second. So that shows that beats, when I have two different frequencies, they're going to make a pattern of loud and quiet sounds, and the frequency of the loud and quiet sounds you get by just subtracting the two frequencies.